Today, we've got 4 intense police chases you won't want to miss. From high-speed pursuits to dangerous confrontations, these real-life moments show the bravery and quick thinking of law enforcement. Stay tuned as we break down each chase and dive into the heart-pounding action. On May 20th, 2023 in Little Rock, Arkansas, state police attempted to stop 42-year-old Christopher Monroe, wanted for drug trafficking and evading arrest.
22 Little Rock, we're going to be 1024, 67 South, 2, Arkansas 175, Young X-Ray Charles, 175, YXC, the Black Gypsy.
Alright, I'm out of water.
Oh, that's a male right there. That's a male. Photographer 252 to Black Gypsy here. 29 Skills Channel.
I think she said correct.
Yeah, he's playing. Got it. We're up volume, put him out for Adam 22, Adam 29, Pacific South Line 2, trying to catch up to a Black GMC with a 28 player, 175, Young X-Ray Charles. Information, you ran my vehicle. We're going to use 67 South at 22 scratched out. He's still in it. 22 scratched out.
1022, I'm still in it. We're 67 South. I tried to ram his vehicle. Speeds are 115 right now, 67 South, getting on the 40 westbound. Little Rock, I'm primary, we're westbound Roosevelt.
They copy on primary, westbound at Roosevelt.
Got him for you, I'll call it now. He's 90.
He's 90.
What followed was a high-speed chase reaching 120 miles per hour. Monroe evaded multiple attempts to stop him, even causing one officer to crash. The pursuit ended when police struck his truck, causing it to roll and crash into a brick wall.
Going up the arch.
Going up the arch.
Passing Izzard Street.
Passing Izzard Street.
Looks like we're going to be going south on MLK. Sorry, I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up. Eastbound Roosevelt, eastbound Roosevelt.
Eastbound on Roosevelt.
Got it there, got it there.
Hit and roll over.
Sorry, I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up.
Eastbound Roosevelt, eastbound Roosevelt.
Eastbound on Roosevelt.
Got a pig, got a roll over.
Hit and roll over.
Get out of the car! Left side, left side.
Get out of the fucking car, you stupid!
Put your hands! Put your hands by your back!
Get out of the fucking car!
Wait, I got it. Hey, man, I can't go that way, man.
No, that's the way you're going.
damn it. Give me your hand! Twist my arm around, dog! Shit! Ow! Right here. We're good. Pieces. Get up. Get your ass up. God damn, my leg broke. My leg broke, bro. Get up! My leg is broke! Get up! Ow! Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down. Oh! Hey! You put a lot of people at risk doing that stupid shit. Dude, 4 fucking times, you motherfucker. Hey, did anybody get hurt? 4 motherfucking times. Anybody get hurt, though? Fuck you.
Shut up.
Hey.
Shut up.
Nobody got hurt because I fucking needed it with your stupid ass.
Ain't nobody get hurt.
I got it. Hey. 22 to the road lead at 10-16. 2 to the left. Anybody else running? Hey, these cars on the road. What do you say? What's this, Sergeant?
Hey, you're gonna get in the car. You're gonna get in the car.
Get your ass up.
Get up.
Fine, we'll drag his ass in.
All right, guys, let's take board.
Here, come here.
Hey, he's standing up, mate. Go out there. We're in the car right now. Get the road clear.
Get up. Up.
Get your ass up.
Get in there.
All right, go to the other side, pull his ass in.
Come on. Get in here.
Monroe was arrested and officers found large quantities of drugs, a firearm, and cash in his vehicle. He now faces numerous charges, including trafficking and felony fleeing. On July 15, 2024, in Omro, Wisconsin, police responded to a violent altercation involving a firearm during a Facebook Marketplace car sale. The suspects fled in a U-Haul truck, triggering a high-speed multi-agency pursuit.
Good spike. 35 miles an hour. Two copy, you can stand down for 201.
Despite tire deflation devices and repeated attempts to stop them, the suspects continued recklessly, swerving near police and endangering motorists. A trooper used a PIE maneuver to disable the truck, but the suspects refused to surrender until a K-9 deputy forcibly ended the chase.
Contact helicopter.
Losing his tires, he's gonna be westbound on Johnson. Say to him,
Dispatch from Brandon Fairwater 678. 678 responding. Dispatch almost over.
The suspects were arrested, and a loaded firearm was recovered from the U-Haul. Both now face multiple charges, including armed robbery and fleeing law enforcement. On May 9, 2024, chaos erupted in Miami-Dade County, Florida, as 27-year-old Melina Logan from North Carolina turned a routine test drive into a high-speed nightmare. Driving a stolen Honda Civic, Logan raced through the Palmetto Expressway at 90 miles per hour, causing multiple hit-and-run crashes before a dramatic crash left her car disabled.
She's still going to the southbound. Therefore, you advise she's still going forward at the vehicle?
Multiple signal 4, multiple signal 4. She's trapped inside the car.
Hey, right before the exit to 25 Street, Miami, start fire. 25 short fire. Down.
Logan was eventually arrested and now faces numerous charges, including grand theft auto, battery on police, and reckless endangerment. One victim remains hospitalized from the chaos she left behind. Fayette County, Georgia. On March 11, 2024, chaos unfolded when deputies tracked down a silver Honda Civic that had been carjacked at gunpoint earlier that morning. Deputies, led by Investigator Fisher and Sergeant Aiken,
I'll do it X-ray 3207, CXD 3207. Behind our foot.
Right on Rama. Just going right. 1050 Oakley. 1050, 1050. Continue straight, he hit the stop sign. Passing Hopeton Terrace. Someone stay at the entrance. He's going to try to come back around. $10.50 at the end of the street. It's going through a yard. Coming back out. The 46, move out. We're almost back to the entrance. $10.50.
The shocking twist? The driver was only 14 years old. He now faces multiple felony charges in Fayette County and DeKalb County, including firearm possession and fleeing law enforcement.